Hello everyone, this is Janapriya, working as an assistant professor, Department of Management Studies at JJ College of Engineering and Technology. Today here we're going to discuss about the topic which comes under the course of digital marketing as fundamental digital marketing with technology. So coming to the introduction part, we all know about that what is meant by digital marketing. It is an online channel that is used to promote a brand, product, and service, and that which is used to leverage the website, social media, search engine, and email and other digital platform that used to able to connect with target audience and used to drive the number of traffic. That means is the number of users who connect or who visit a website, a particular website, the interaction will be more. Then the ranking order will be in first. So this called as website traffic, and that used to able to achieve a marketing goals. So key elements is search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and online advertising. That should be supported by the data analysis and is to able to connect with target audience. Coming to the fundamentals of digital marketing. So basically, we need to understand our target customers, their needs and wants. From that, we need to able to create an valuable content to attack or to gain more from our target customers. Analytics and measurement and data. So at last, we need to analyze the data from. We need to take an up sources from like primary data or secondary data. From that, we need to able to analysis and and then we need to improvise our sales or profit to attain their goal of the particular organization. Why it is important? So it is a cost effective. Basically, digital marketing is a cost effective and it is in a wider in reach, higher in reach. So at present today, the usage of digital platform is more number all over the world. So that the reach will be so high. And building a customer base, we can able to attract more customers and we able to find our new customers to improvise our brand awareness, promoting, advertising, etc. So basically, we can able to build our base customer base. There will be more number of brand awareness. Next, coming to the 5 Ds of digital marketing. So there's a digital device, digital platform, digital media, digital data, digital technology. So digital device is nothing but that used to access a digital content. There's a smartphone, tab, laptops, desktop, computers, etc. Digital platform means it's nothing but the people that used to consume a digital content. That is search engine, social media networks, email, website. Digital media is nothing but the people who consumes that is text, image, videos, audio, that all considered as a digital media. Digital data is that used to create a more targeted and personalized marketing campaign. Digital technology is that is used to create and deliver the campaign. Things such as marketing automation software, data analytics tools, and customer relationship management. Types of digital marketing. So there's a lot of types that we are discussing about the branding, social media. We all know about the branding. Social media marketing, content media marketing, email marketing, video production, search engine optimization, web design, search engine marketing, app development. So search engine optimization is nothing but optimizing the website and the content is to rank in higher. As we discussed about the previous website about the website traffic, that is number of users who are visit a website at a particular website, the interaction will be more. So that can able to perform with the rankings, a number of the visited people at a particular website that can able to rank in a order wise. So that's called as a website traffic. Website traffic and same as we discuss about the search engine result pages that is called a search engine result pages SERP and increase in organic traffic. Coming to the content marketing, so it is a creating and distributing the valuable, relevant and consistent content. So basically, the content marketing, we have need to create a valuable content that should be attract or move our target customers, and that should be in consistency form. So that's more important. Next, social media marketing, that is being able to, that is a platform that is used to connect with our customers to build awareness and drive traffic to the website, to paid, to promote our brand with the paid or unpaid, etc. Coming to the email marketing, sending a targeted emails to promote a product, share updates, and creating more number of leads. Online advertising, that is PPC, it's a page per click. Paying for advertising space on search engines like Google Ads or other websites to reach a specific audience. Data analysis or data analytics. From all that, we need to analyze the data to track our website traffic, and need to analyze the user behavior. So what kind of them customers behavior, from that we can able to analyze. Yes, from that we can able to analyze about the customer needs and wants, and the campaign performance to refine the marketing strategy, that can able to use in redefine these strategies to making a more number of profits. Coming to the role of technology, so there is a role of technology in digital marketing is websites and app. So it's essential for online presence, providing information and facilitating online transaction. That is GPay, UPay, money transaction in online in a digital form. So that's to be called as one of the role. And marketing automation is using a software that's used to automate a repetitive task like email campaign, social media posting, and other, creating more number of leads. Social media management tools. So there is a lot of tools which is used to engage in social media. That is platform for scheduling post, monitoring engagement, and analyzing the social media performance. So there's a lot number of tools that is used to maintain a consistency in a social media platform. So that is called we can scheduleize our days. In what day what content should be posted. So like that we can able to need to scheduleize our programs in the tools. So it is one of useful for the engagement in social media. That is consistency. SEO tools, the tools for keyword research, computer analysis, and tracking website ranking, as we discussed before that, before this talk, this tools, SEO tools, analytics platforms. So Google Analytics and other tools provide a data on website traffic, user behavior, and campaign performance. Customer relationship management. So that is managing a customer interaction and data to improve a customer relationship and personalize the making marketing more effort. It should be different from our competitors, basically. Then coming to the integrate with the artificial intelligence. So basically the technology at present today, um, AI is one of the most technology used in all over the world. So personalization. So personalization is nothing but it can able to analyze the data. So what the customer is feeding into the input to platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, search engine. So that is the customer data. We can able to analyze our customer data, browsing history, purchase pattern, and other demographic that used to deliver the highly personal content and product recommendation. Example, Amazon search engine. We are recommending the more product once we have seen once we are um, prefer to click or sorry, prefer to want to buy that particular product. So next page, once we close, then once you have opened, when you are open, the page will comes under the first. So this is called search engine or website traffic. Then automation, chat box. So that is used to provide a instant customer support, answer frequently question through sales process, improve the customer's agreements. Okay. Coming to the marketing automation is email campaign. So they called as my email campaign, social media posting, saving time and resource, content creation, type of content. that should include any social media posts, blog articles, and even marketing copy. Customer segmentation. So segmented into the target groups based on various criteria. That is more effective and personalized marketing campaign. So AI powered tools, it is search engine optimization tool, ad platforms. So ad platforms, that is AI can optimize the ad campaign by analyzing the performance data and making adjustment. That is to targeting, bidding, and ad copy. Next, data analysis and insights. So as we discussed before that, from that online data analysis also one of the digital marketing. So is used to connect with technology, that is predictive analytics. So analyze the historic data. Predictive analysis the historic data that is used to predict the future and customer behavior. So real-time data analysis that can process a vast amount of data in real time to identify the trends and able to measure the campaign performance and make the driven data decision. So coming to the conclusion of the fundamentals of digital marketing. So at present today, the digital marketing fueled by the technology advancement. So that become a crucial for business today. So that can use to connect with target audience and achieve sustainable growth. So staying informed about the emerging trends and continuously adapting the environment today at present today, the digital landscape is essential for our success field. So thank you. So kindly send the feedback through this email. Thank you so much.